Hi everyone, today we're going to be doing the first cycle in the Candy Ultra. Now, I've not used this at all yet. I started Rapid 14 very briefly with the intention of running it through the whole cycle, but it was filling to a rather high level and I wasn't very fond of it. So once it reached nearly quarter tub, I decided, you know what, let's turn it off. And I put it onto a brief spin, up to about 800 RPM, and then turned it off and went and set up the Simplify app, which is working. I've not tested to start a cycle remotely yet, but I will do that because I've got washing to do after this video. For this video we're going to be doing the normal boil wash first, hence why the thermometer is in place. I do like how simple it is on this machine to set up the thermometer, because as you can see I've got it running over the lip of the door sill. So, towels for this cycle, just towels because we've got so many of them. Yes, and as you can hit, that's another thing I want to point out before we start. Yeah, it's one of those candies. I don't think that's going to bother me because I've got the LG, which I wouldn't say, it doesn't make a similar noise, but it makes a shock absorber noise, which is probably going to sound like about the same level of annoyance to most people on camera. But from the other candies I've seen, that usually goes away once it reaches about 500, 600 RPM, so again, that won't bother me. So some of these towels have been used to mop up water from Zanussi, where that was leaking. Oh, that's another thing I've got to mention in another video. Zanussi needs a new valve. Anyway, so yeah, some of these have been used for that. I also had to readjust the hose pipe, the inlet hose, one time for this candy because it wasn't attached properly. But it's still, it's actually not that it wasn't attached properly. It's that the hose just doesn't fit correctly. Bearing in mind, I'm using the Indusets hose at the moment. And that might be slightly overloaded, I don't know. Let's take this towel out. I won't wash this towel. I'll keep that for another load. I don't want to do any overload yet, especially since this is the first cycle. So, I'm going to use a full cap of Surf Tropical Lily, which is just going to go at the top of the load, there. Make sure the thermometer's in place securely. We can shut the door. Right. Cotton, it defaults to L3, level 3, which is 2048 minutes. Same cycle length for all temperatures. 90 degrees, 1400 RPM. Options, I guess you can have everything. So that's pre-wash, 2 hours 57. That's hygiene, I think. But it doesn't add any time, so not entirely sure on that one. And you can't have easy iron for some reason. Is that easy iron or is that something else? I don't know. I'll have to check the manual for that one. But for some reason you can't have it on cotton, and usually you can have every option on cotton, so that's a bit strange. Anyway, I've got the energy meter hooked up, but it's reading 0 watts while it's on, so that's a very good sign. It means it's less than half a watt, basically, if it's reading 0. So yeah, off we go. Why is it? This is concerning. I think it's broke. Alright, that's enough. No. Right, that's it, it's broke. Great. Let's try level 1. Oh, hang on. Just try 60 for now. No. Well, that lasted long, didn't it?